Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to make the garbage collector bot. So let us see the parts required. We need 2 small C bar, 2 small L bar, 1 medium plate, 4 wheels, 2 DC motor, DPDT switch box along with the connector. So let us do the connections now. First of all, we will take 1 medium plate and 2 small C bars. Attach the medium plate to the small C bar in this way such that the first hole of the medium plate is connected to the first hole of the small C bar. In this way, and fix it with the help of nut and bolt. Like this. We have connected the C bar on one side. Similarly, we will connect the other C bar on the right hand side. After connecting the C bars, now we will attach a small L bar to the bot. For that, we will use these 2 long balls. Take the long balls and insert it through the holes of the first row of the medium plate. So insert the balls through the holes. Like this, and now insert some spacers. So we have inserted 5 spacers. Similarly, insert another 5 spacer through this bolt. So after inserting the spacers, now we will connect this small L bar. Place the small L bar in this way. And fix the bolt using the nuts. So we have connected the small L bar, and now we will attach the motors to the small C bars. Take one motor and attach it to the small C bar in this way such that the shaft of the motor is inserted through the last hole of the small C bar in this way, and then fix the motor using the screws. So we have connected. Similarly, connect the other motor. We have connected the motors. Now we will attach the wheels to the motors. This way, and fix it with the help of an axle lock. Fix the other wheel. We have to connect 2 more wheels at the front of the small C bar, and for that we will be requiring the small metal shaft. Take one metal shaft and insert it through the hole of the small C bar. Take a wheel, insert it through the metal shaft. Now take an axle lock and fix the wheel from one side Similarly, we have to fix the metal shaft from this side also. So for that, take another axle lock and fix it. Similarly, connect the other wheel on this side. Now attach. After connecting the wheels, now we will connect one small L bar to this L bar. Attach the small L bar to this L bar in this way. And then fix it with the help of nut and bolt. The connection of the garbage collector is done, and now we will connect the motors to the remote box. We have connected the motors to the switch box, and now we will show you the output.